Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to register for a class. So once you log in to your myUCA, you should be on a page that looks similar to this. I have selected some favorites, things that I always use when I'm logged into myUCA, and you're going to want to check your star beside the little tab that says self-service. And you can always scroll down, and these are your most popular items that are used, and I've made self-service one of my favorites. So if I click it on that, it's going to take me to a page that looks like this. And so for you, you're going to be taken, it'll also have personal information, financial aid. You will not have the bottom two. So if I clicked on student, and then I click on registration. All right, so I'm going to go down here. And I am going to, you can do it a couple of different ways. If you already know the class that you want to take and you're just wanting to just go ahead and put yourself in there, you would click on registration. If maybe say you don't know the CRN number, but you know the name of the class. So we're going to look up Master of Arts in Teaching, and we're going to do a course search. All right, so let's see here. I know I want to take Pedagogy of Diverse Student Population, so I'm going to view all the sections that are available. Well, okay, so let me quick show you what you were looking at here. So the CRN number, these numbers are assigned to the faculty, and that lets us know the different sections that are being taught. So while we have the same courses 3 different times, there are 3 different sections, and those CRN numbers distinguish the different sections. So as I scroll through, these are all pedagogy. The days, so the S means that it means on Saturday. The R's, those are Thursday classes. There can be 15 people in these two, 13 in this one. It looks like this one. Actual count of students who have registered, there's 16 people. Obviously it's full. There's only 10 registered for this section, and there are 13 registered, so this one's at capacity as well. So the only one that looks like I can get into is this section here. It's taught by Miss Green. And so I'm going to click on this blue highlighted number, the CRN number, 14683. And I'm probably going to jot that down on a piece of paper, because when I go to register, I can make it much quicker if I have my CRN number. So I'm going to click on this. Once you click on that CRN number, this is going to be where you're going to see the information such as, oh, this class meets face-to-face, and it's going to meet on these 3 dates. So, okay, well, I know I'm going to be out of town on this date, so maybe I don't need to take that class, because obviously I need to be there, and if they only meet 3 times, you need to make sure you check this. So always click on the CRN number and pay particular attention to whether or not these courses meet face-to-face and the different dates and times. I also note that it says 5310 has to be taken before I take this class. So that's something else that will be mentioned if there's any disclaimers to any particular class. All right, so from here, I'm not able to register on this class listings, on this class schedule listing page. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go back, and I know I want to take this class. So I'm going to go to register again. And I'm going to go ahead, and I jotted down that CRN. So I'm going to need that. And it was 14683. And I'm going to submit those changes. Okay, so for me, I am not a student anymore, so I'm not able to take you through that full process. But once you click on that CRN and type it in and do your search, it's going to give you the option to register for that course. And you're going to it's going to ask you if you want to register. You're going to say yes, and you're going to confirm it. Once you have registered for the class and you've added it, you will be able to go back to your sitemap. If you'll go back to registration, to make sure that you're in the class, all you have to do is go to your student detail schedule, and it will pop up for that semester for 2017. So that is the quick way to register for classes. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your advisor or Ms. Stiles Foster. That's me. Thank you so much, and I hope this helped.